Good morning, all. So, our next topic is scales. Scales. That is, in drawing, we have to adopt different kind of scales. Okay, we are using different kind of scales for drawing. So, uh, that is the thing which we are going to discuss the next. Okay. So, in that, first one is types of scales. So, before moving on to the types of scales, we will discuss what is a scale. Okay, usually you will be drawing a figure. Okay, if some plot is there. Okay, if this is a uh, building drawing, if this is the site plan. Okay, if this is the site plan of a particular building. Okay, in that case, you are drawing this particular site plan. If you are drawing this particular construction into the paper in some scale. Okay, you are converting it to some scale. Okay, so that is the word meaning scale. Now, what is scale? What does actually that represents? Scale means this is map distance by field distance. Field distance. Map distance by field distance. Now, what does this mean? Okay, map distance by field distance. Map distance by field. Okay, now what does this mean? Okay, actually, in the field, okay, you have taken, that is, in the field you have to survey a particular land, and or you have already completed a survey and you got some road width as some 2.5 meter. Okay, you got it as 2.5 meter. Okay, and in the map you are converting it to some particular scale. Okay, you are this converting this 2.5 meter to some scale for your convenience. That is, otherwise it will not be fit, or it will not compress into your drawing. So that's why you are compressing it to a smaller unit. Okay, so you are taking some map distance, you are converting 2.5 meter to some particular distance. Or for example, if some 100 meter distance is there in the actual field, or that is actual field distance is 100 meter, and you are converting it to 1 unit, you are converting it to 1 unit. That means 1 is to 100 is the scale. Okay, that means 1 is to 100, 1 is to 100 is the scale. That means 100 meter, that is 100 meter distance in the field. For your convenience, you are converting it to 1 centimeter. Okay, 100 meter, for each 100 meter you will be taking 1 centimeter. Okay, 100 meter will be converted to 1 centimeter in your drawing. That is the meaning of a scale. Now we will discuss about types of scale. Okay, types of scale. In types of scale, mainly there are three type of scales are there. First one is enlarged scale. As the name suggests, enlarged scale. Enlarged scale means, what does that mean? Actually, you have something in the field, or okay, that is, it is not necessary that you have to take it into consider, you have to take the consideration of these civil engineering works only. You can consider some other examples also. I am giving you some other example. That is, in your that is, in your school days, you may have gone through the laboratory experiments and all. So in that, if you have to draw something that is in biology or chemistry lab, if you have drawn the pictures, that is in biology lab, if you have drawn the pictures of this amoeba and the cockroach or anything like that, what you are actually doing, that is actually, you are enlarging it to a larger scale in your drawing. Okay, you will not be drawing a small figure. Actually, amoeba is a very small thing, okay, which we cannot see with our naked eye. So what you are doing, you are enlarging it in your paper. So that is enlarged scale. That is something which is smaller. In actual case, is converted into a bigger one for your convenience into the drawing. That is enlarged scale. Okay, that means I will give you an example. That is, if 20 units, 20 units bigger thing is converted, or you are measuring it to be one unit. Okay, if 20 meters in the actual case is being drawn to 1 centimeter or 1 unit, whatever it is, that is, unit is not important, unit is not that important. I'm just giving you an example. 20 is to 1. After that you have to consider which is the unit, but I'm giving you an example. 20 is to 1 means 20 units. Actual case it is 20 units, that is converted to 1 unit for your convenience into your drawing. Okay, that is the enlarged scale. Okay, 20 is to 1. The first digit will be the larger one. That is the actual thing. Actual thing will be larger. The other thing which you are drawing, that is which you are transforming, or which you are converting it to the picturization form, that will be a smaller unit. Okay, that is enlarged scale. Okay, now next is full sized scale. That is the second one. Full sized scale, as the name itself suggests, if you have 1 is to 1, that is the meaning. That is actually what is the unit, the same thing will be drawn in the picturization also. In your drawing also you will use the same scale. If in actual case, that is in, for example, I'm saying that you are drawing the picture of your bag or your purse or anything like that. Okay, you are drawing in the same scale, and what is the actual size that you are drawing to the same scale itself, that means that is the full sized scale, 1 is to 1. Okay, that is the meaning. Now next is, third one is reduced scale. Reduced scale. Here also, as the name suggests, what does that mean? Reduced. Reduced means, in actual case, whatever be the size, okay, you are compressing it to a smaller form in the paper. That is reduced scale. In actual case, that will be a larger one. But you are not able to draw that complete figure by using the same scale in the paper. Then what will you do? You will convert, or you will compress that to a smaller scale. That is reduced scale. So this is a thing which you are usually using for the engineering works. That is, I have given an example before, that is for enlarged scale you have taken 20 is to 1. Here what will be the scale? For example, what will be the scale? Here it will be 1 is to 20. That means 1 is to 20. What does this signify? Actually, scale means it is the map distance by field distance. Map distance by field distance. Okay, 1 is to 20 by 1 is to 20 means field distance is 20 and map distance is 1. Okay, 20 meter in the field, that is the actual case. You have converted, or you have compressed that to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter for your drawing. That is what is known as reduced scale. So I think you got the difference. Between all these kind of representations. Okay.